We're going to be speaking to David O'Neill, and he's the chairman of the event marshalling unit here on the Isle of Sheppey. Good evening, David.
Good evening, Dan.
Firstly, what do the event marshalling unit Sheppey do?
Well, we go around various places to help steward car parks and road closures, general help where people need us, carnivals, anything like that. And they need extra stewards, then they would ask us and we go along and give them a help.
What is your role, and how did you become involved, become a member?
Well, I'm the chairman, as you know, and I have sort of like overall charge of what goes on. It started back in '92. I was a member of the CB group, and we decided to start a separate unit with a dear friend of mine who's no longer with us, and it's just carried on from there. It's just gone on, and we're still here now.
So, David, are you looking for new volunteers at the moment?
Yes, we're always on the lookout for new volunteers, and they have to be over 16, male or female, good sense of humour, serious side to them, able to sort of like take what people say to them and do as they are sort of like asked to do.
Yep.
And if they've got a car, which is a bonus. If not, then it's not a problem.
How much time do you have to give up if you're going to become a member of the event marshalling unit here in Sheppey?
Well, you give up as much time as you like. It's not something you have to do every weekend or whatever. But most of our events are on a Saturday or a Sunday. A couple of times during the year we'd have events which is on Saturday and Sunday. But they will do what they want to do.
So, David, what sort of events do you cover?
Well, Dan, we cover all sorts of events, sort of carnivals, hot festivals, street events, firework displays, fun days, any sort of event that requires a steward or a marshal, then we will go along and assist them as much as we can.
And how do you get to all the events that you attend?
We use our car, those that have got cars, we take our cars down to the events that we need to get to. So it's always, if you haven't got a car, then we'd always make sure that there's room in someone's car that we can take them all down there, so there's no problems getting down there.